This is Brandon with Idaho Elite Inspection Team, and this is a 1-minute home inspection. Hey guys, we're here in this crawl space. This is an old house, probably 1930s or so. Got a fuse box, old fuse panel in this house. Lots of weird stuff, not very well maintained. I want to show you a couple things here. First of all, got this leak that you see some water dripping down off this plumbing pipe here. This is the main water shutoff. Been going on for a long time. The sellers probably had no idea about it. Really what I want to show you though is a first for me. I've been doing inspections for a long time, and the first time I've ever seen this. So first of all, I got a little water dripping going on, you can tell. And if you look up, the water's actually coming from, see that hair? There's a hole in the pipe. This is under the tub. And the only reason it's not gushing water is because of all that hair dangling down and dripping from this little piece of hair right there. There's a drip right there. I have never seen that. It is so nasty. So, this is why we do home inspections, I'm telling you. So there you go. First time for me on this one. Brandon with Idaho Elite Inspection Team. We'll see you on the next one. This is Brandon with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection, and this is a 1-minute home inspection.